Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to take your Bluebonnet and your 2x2 quizzes. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to go to the Alvin ISD website. You're going to click on Alvin ISD. You're going to go to select a school and you're going to click Dr. James Red Duke Elementary. You're going to click the button that says Library. You're going to scroll all the way down to where you see 2x2s and Bluebonnets. I'm going to click the 2x2 and Bluebonnet link, and it's going to bring me two slides. The first slide says 2x2. The second slide says Bluebonnet. If your students are doing the 2x2, they'll click on the picture, and it will open up a Google form. This is the quiz they're going to take. If your student is doing the Bluebonnet, you'll do the same thing. Click on the picture, it will open up a Google form. You could help your students fill out their email, and for the 2x2s, they'll need their first name, their last name, their teacher name, and they'll need to answer 5 questions and click submit. For the Bluebonnets, they'll put their first name, their last name, they'll be answering 10 questions and clicking submit. Thank you. Let me know if you have any questions.